In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PowerPoint cannot insert a video from the selected file. Verify that the necessary 64-bit. If you've tried to add a video to a slide and saw that message, don't worry. This error usually means your computer is missing the codec needed to read the video's format. A codec is a small piece of software that helps your system decode and play audio and video. Without the right one, PowerPoint can't interpret the file, even if it plays elsewhere. First, let's install the required codec. Open your browser and go to the official site at codecguide.com. Download the K-Lite codec pack and choose the basic version, which works for most users. When the download finishes, run the installer. You can safely accept the default settings. They're designed to work well without extra tweaking. Let the setup complete, and for best results, close PowerPoint and any media players while you install so the files can be updated cleanly. Next, restart your computer. This is important because Windows needs to load the new codec system-wide. After the restart, open PowerPoint and try inserting the video again. Go to Insert, choose Video, then select the file from your device. In many cases, the error disappears and the video drops in normally. If you still see the message, the alternative fix is to convert the video to a more compatible format. MP4 using the H.264 codec is widely supported by PowerPoint and offers a good balance of quality and file size. Use a reputable free online video converter, upload your original file, select MP4 as the output and H.264 for the video codec, then start the conversion. If you can preserve the original resolution and stereo audio, do that to maintain quality. Once it's done, download the new MP4 and save it locally. Now, return to PowerPoint and insert the converted MP4 into your slide. Because H.264 MP4 is broadly supported, it should insert without errors and play smoothly during your presentation. A few quick tips to finish. Only download codecs from trusted sources like codecguide.com to avoid security risks. Make sure your PowerPoint is up to date. Versions 2016, 2019, or Microsoft 365 generally offer the best media compatibility. It also helps to keep your system media players current since they share components with Windows. By following these steps, you can resolve the codec error and successfully insert videos into your PowerPoint presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.